Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 16th, and this is my PM recap of the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and gold on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner at the end of the video or in the description of the video. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to get access to all these benefits listed below and more. So another pretty bullish day for the dollar pairs. I mean, anybody that's been trading with the trend of the higher time frames overall has probably been doing pretty dang good on the dollar pairs. What would I still be doing? I would definitely still be looking for longs in an uptrend. If you take it up to the daily time frame, the Fibonacci level is right around the 1.1 area, the next fib level on the euro dollar. So how big of a pullback it's going to make. I mean, we are at the 78%, so if it does go down, if it does break structure, maybe it will go down for wave C. I personally am no reason whatsoever to go short, even if it does break structure. But I honestly think that even if it does, it might not even end up doing that. It may just continue the uptrend. I would highly recommend continuing to look for longs, unless the daily time frame gives you a really good reason otherwise. Moving on to the pound dollar, I mean, the same exact advice on the pound dollar. If you take it out to the daily time frame, my next Fibonacci retracement level is right around the 1.315 area, the 78% Fibonacci retracement of the whole move down on the daily. So that's why I'm so extremely bullish. And plus, the US dollar index is also why I'm so extremely bullish. What would I be doing now? I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short. This is where my old mentor used to say to me, the only strategy right now is to either be holding a long from way down here looking for an exit, or the strategy would be to be patiently waiting for a pullback to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. I have no idea when it will make a pullback. It might drift up more. It might make just a little teeny pullback. Or it might make a much bigger pullback. I just know whatever it does, make a three-way pullback and a nice Fibonacci bounce, I definitely would be ready to go along again for the continuation of the uptrend. Now, gold is definitely a little bit different. We are at a pretty significant area on gold. We're at the 261.8. Excuse me. And this move up could still possibly be part of a wave four. At this point, I don't really think it's a great idea to be looking for shorts on gold because even though it looks like it should go down and make three waves of four and then go up and make a wave five, it doesn't have to do that. It could possibly blow right through this Fibonacci level and continue its uptrend. So keep that in mind. But for me personally, I do have a line right here. So if price does break that line with momentum, I definitely from that point on would be very bearish, and at that point I would definitely become a seller at the end of all pullbacks I see. But I would have to see a nice break and hold below structure to really believe that to be true. Because there's a chance it just goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, doesn't really give you a break of structure. It just continues the higher time frame uptrend. So as always, the trend is your friend. I mean, anybody that's been looking for longs on gold for pretty much a year now has been doing pretty good. And the euro dollar, pound dollar, same type of thing. The trend is your friend. I would recommend longs in an uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.